because when he was in Sulu, he was a person who was really very much getting, things straight. And when there was something like graft and corruption, he wants to straighten things out. He doesn't want just to forget it and let it go. And for Kokoy, because I know Kokoy, he's a person who is stand for his principles regardless of who you are. And that's how he got involved into this case.
Itong nangyari kay Kokoy, yung parang hindi siya masasayang. Kahit pa siya nakulong, kahit pa napagdaanan ng pamilya namin yung ganito, sana hindi masayang. Yung parang may magandang kahihinatnan. Tapos, yung sa international community, sana magawan ng paraan kung paano mag-defend ng mga human rights.
Kokoy Tulawi was called to the front, and following the direction of the judge, the bench clerk state the charges against Tulawi. Tulawi was very simple. He told not guilty. What do you think about that?
I cried. Umiyak ako kanina dun sa courtroom. Kasi parang feeling ko yung parang unfair. Nakatayo ang husband ko sa harap. Yung parang wala siyang ginawa kundi tumulong sa kapwa niya. Pagkatapos yung parang, bakit?
Binisita ng aktor na si Robin Padilla sa kulungan sa Davao City ang akusado sa isang kaso ng pagpapasabog sa Sulu. Kaibigan ni Padilla si Timogen Tulawi na itinuturong utak sa pagpapasabog sa Kapitolyo ng Sulu noong May 13, 2009 na ikinasugat ng 11. Ayon sa aktor, hindi siya naniniwala sa mga paratang laban ni Tulawi. Magkasama raw sila ni Tulawi sa kampanya para sa katahimikan sa Mindanao. Nananawagan si Padilla sa gobyerno na pakawalan ang kanyang kaibigan.